Spain, defending champions won the FIFA U-17 Women's World Cup against the first-time finalists Colombia. The host country of the FIFA U-17 Women's World Cup was India. The International Union of Geological Sciences (IUGS), one of the largest scientific organizations of UNESCO, has recognized the Momlu Cave, located in Meghalaya, as Geological Heritage Sites. The first edition of the India-Mozambique-Tanzania trilateral exercise commenced at Tanzania on Indian Navy is represented by the guided missile frigate, Starkash, a Chetak helicopter, and Marcos. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated India's second Rashtriya Adarsh Veda Vidyalay, RAVV in Puri. RAVV has been launched to spread knowledge of the Vedas. The National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated every year on October 31st to commemorate the birth anniversary of India's first Home Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This year will mark the 147th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is also known as the Iron Man.